guys, and welcome back to my channel. So y'all already know what day it is. It is Prime Day. So I am showing you guys what I bought on Amazon to transform my shower. The first item was the shower spin brush I've been seeing all over TikTok and Amazon. Next are my two shower caddies, a shower squeezy for my glass windows. Then I bought a phone holder because I do take long showers and I like to watch movies and YouTube while I'm in the shower. I also purchased this stool for me to sit down, put my foot on while I shave. And the last item I purchased were some eucalyptus stems to help my shower feel fresh and smell like a spa. So here is my shower now. Not organized. It's dirty because I've washed my hair a few times. And we're just gonna change everything up. So right now I'm gonna take everything out of my shower, including the caddy. I've noticed I do not like overhead caddies anymore. They just get messy and leave soap residue. So here I am spraying my shower with bleach Clorox. Amazon gadget I chose to use, of course, was the shower spinny item. It helps cleanse the floor without me bending over backwards. Showers are like my number one thing I hate to clean, but this tool definitely made it much easier. So this tool also comes with 3 different brushes. This pointy one is used to help get into those cracks or smaller spaces that are usually hard to clean. Third brush is flat and it's used to brush any walls or mostly just any flat surfaces. some of that bleach product sit. Unfortunately, I have to put this stool together, and you guys, I'll be honest, it was not easy at all. Just know I used some screws and a hot glue gun to hold this thing together. So now it is time to use my shower squeezy. I was so excited about this tool because if you have a glass shower, you know how hard it is to keep this thing clean. So I definitely will probably use it after every shower I take. Next, I'm going to install my 2 shower shelves I bought, or shower caddies. They're pretty easy to put together. Just stick the back on and then clamp the shelves to those clamps. Hopefully I explained that right. If not, just pay attention. So the shelves are pretty sturdy. It did hold all of my products I normally use, even those larger bottles of Dove's and conditioner. I added my favorite body scrub on my stool. I will put a link below where you can find that. Here I added my eucalyptus leaves. I also installed the phone holder. Guys, here is the final transformation. I will say those eucalyptus leaves do have my shower feeling fresh. And of course, my video, if you have not watched my Amazon entryway / console table building, make sure you tune into that. And I'm super excited about the stool because I can finally sit down in my shower. And I have a place to sit my foot while I shave and exfoliate. That is definitely a game changer for me. Now, all of the products I used in this video will be linked below, including that body scrub you guys see and the scrubbing gloves as well. Those have my legs, arms, everything feeling so smooth. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you did some Amazon shopping today. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, what did you guys purchase from Amazon? See y'all later. Bye.